It's time to go play in the woods, and today we're at Burry Hill Park in Albury. Today's session is all about swords and shields. So we're going to make a shield. For this activity you just need a big piece of cardboard. You can use an old box or a cereal box opened up, and you need to cut it into a shield shape. Any shape you like really. Then on your shield we're going to put 4 different sections and draw in them. So just need some felt pens. I'm going to do a big cross on this one, down the middle. So I've got my 4 sections, and then you can just draw a picture in each of the sections like this one. So on this one I've done a sword, a tree because we're in the woods, a dragon with some fire, and I've done some sunshine and some rain. Now, to make this into a shield, we need to put something on the back. So I've got another strip of cardboard, and I'm just going to bend it at each end and stick it on so that you can put your arm through. Right, so just strip that on with some sellotape and that, so you can put your arm through it, and you're ready to go into battle.
Now let's make a sword. You'll need a long stick and a short stick and some string. First, you need to tie the string to the long stick with a simple knot. Now we're going to place the short stick on the top, and we're going to use a square lashing to secure the 2 sticks together. So we do this by taking the string over the top of one stick and then under the next stick, over the top of the next one and then under the next one, and repeat that several times. You want to keep the string pulled nice and tight so it is secure. Once you've wrapped the string around 3 times, you will need to secure the wraps by wrapping the string around the middle of the wrap so it goes underneath that stick, round where you've just made the wraps, and back under the stick again. And you want to do that 2 or 3 times to make it nice and secure. And then you can finish that off by just tying the 2 bits of string that are left at the bottom together in a simple knot. And there you have your sword.
If I were a knight, brave and strong, I would protect my village all day long. If a dragon comes by, you'd better watch out, because this brave knight is about. When it's time for bed, I will keep my sword near. I'll sleep with one eye open till morning is near.
Time for battle! Remember, this is fun. Don't actually hurt each other. Why not try to do a slow motion battle?
We're going to play a game now, and this game is a bit like an archery game. So we're not going to use bows and arrows, but we are going to use an archery target. Now I've made this target on just a paper plate, but you can use a piece of cardboard, open up a cereal box and use the inside of a cereal box to draw your target. So we've got 2 targets, and instead of using bows and arrows, we've just found on the floor some little pebbles, and we're just going to use these to throw at our target. You need to be careful if we're using pebbles, and if we're throwing them, we only throw them at the target. Now, the closer you are to the circle in the middle, the more points you win. Let's have a go.